Okay.
I'll try it. I don't need yours.
No, it's okay. This is deep already. Do you like the chicken?
The chicken's good. It's just a little.
How can I go? Tell it's too hot.
Good morning, Philippines.
They like. What do you? They like that. Do you like that?
And I don't know if I can. Popeyes. Put it in a bucket, but it's really Popeyes.
Thumbnails, guys. Okay, we're gonna eat. Hi guys! Magmumukbang na naman tayo guys. Si Tammy guys bumili ng Chicken Joy sa Queen's. Bumili siya. So, magmumukbang kami. So, ngayon, kumakain siya ng ano. At saka dalawang gravy. At saka kumuha din siya ng what is this one? Spaghetti. The one that he just think that it's something. But anyway, so, he got 2 buckets of spicy chicken. How many pieces inside, Han?
Only 6 of them.
6 each. And now it's not crunchy because, you know, from the city to here. But
Yeah, this is what?
Hala, they changed it.
No, because on the construction, just all construction.
Hala?
Packed with people.
Yeah, always, han. I remember, guys, yung pumunta kami doon, the first opening of so spicy.
Nose down.
Ties yung ano ko, guys.
Down. Down.
My gravy.
Down or I'll give you a spicy piece.
Roxy. And, oh my god, it's so spicy. Nung pumunta, the first time kami pumunta doon, grabe guys, yung line hand, it's an hour, right? And it was cold and rainy. So yeah. So, it's been a long time that hindi ako kumakain ng Jollibee here sa US. Ito yung pangalawang beses na bumili kami ng chicken Jollibee dito sa US. Kakain na ako guys dahil gutom na ako.
They're opening another one in Manhattan.
Huh? Did you? Who told you?
You see it online.
So they're opening in Manhattan. This is located in Queens, guys. Oh my god. It's been a long time. Do you want gravy? It's so good, Han. Try it, Han. Han, you have to try the way Filipino does. Okay, here. Okay, you try it. Okay.
I'll try it. I don't need yours.
No, it's okay. This is deep already. Yeah. So it's so good. Using hand?
Cuts down on the spicy.
Huh?
Cuts the spicy part.
And it's so good, Jollibee. Oh my god, I miss this. Thank you so much, Han. Oh my god. I still have to try, of course, this is mukbang. I'm gonna eat half of the spaghetti. What do you think of the chicken?
Good. A little too spicy.
The skin, right? Spicy. This is the spiciness that I miss. Oh my god. Sarap guys, as in. Oh my god, Han, I really thank you so much, B-boy. It's been... The last time na kumakain ako ng Jollibee, it was 2000. There's turkey, Han, oh. Outside. Ala. It was 2015. Nung pumunta ako sa Pilipinas. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Sarap. Anyway, si Tammy galing pa trabaho. Dumiretso siya dito dahil he get out early. He's so lucky. He get out early. And I'm so lucky that he get out early. Because if he doesn't get out early, he don't go to get Jollibee.
Not necessarily true. They're open till 11.
They're open till 11?
Yeah.
I thought 10.
It says 11.
Oh, that was
Well, maybe.
Red Ribbon, 10 o'clock. Oh my god. I like Popeyes, guys, but this is so different flavor.
Now when you order, they give you a beeper.
A beeper.
And they beep you when it's ready.
So you have to go there when it beep.
Right. You know, like in Outback when they give you
Yeah, they'll do that in anywhere here.
Not for a fast food restaurant ever.
Not here.
Hey, miss. Well, if you let Roxy eat it.
Sarap. Spaghetti. Do you like the chicken?
Chicken's good. It's just a little, you know, it's a little extra spicy.
No, honey, it's okay.
That's an opinion. You asked mine.
Okay.
If you wanted yours, you didn't have to ask me.
Okay. My goodness.
Poor Misty, she went to get her chicken.
Tammy is having the spaghetti. Pababa na pababa.
I just tasted it. You want me to tell you what I think?
Oh my god. Tanggalan ko nga ito. Kakalimutan ko nga. Hindi ako naglalaro kumain. Roxy guys, maingay. Ha? Roxy.
Different, kind of sweet.
It's a sweet spaghetti. It's different from what you guys
Yeah.
have. Matamis daw guys.
What do you want to say? What? Keep licking my nose.
Oh my god. Sarap.
Now what? Now what? What? Now what?
The dog is so happy to see Dada. You're supposedly see Dada tomorrow. Yeah. Close that then. So what, right?
You guys are working next door in the yard.
Huh?
You guys are working in the yard next door.
They're working
You
here?
guys work over there.
Really? That's what they're doing. Chicken.
Yeah, I'm checking out.
Huh?
I'm done.
Her food is done. It's so hot today to work outside. Eh? Even me, I'm used to the hot weather. It's like crazy.
She's not, guys. She can't take hot weather no more. Who's you kidding? Can't.
I can, honey.
That time she was in the Philippines, she caught out.
How can I go? Tell it's too hot.
So, eh? I don't see that.
You did.
No.
You did.
Why do you say that, hon?
You did. It's so hot. I just spent a few more nights in a hotel.
Okay, you give me some pork.
Pork?
Pork. Watch out the camera. Give me the one that you use. Thank you. Okay. Let's do the spaghetti. The cheesy spaghetti.
There's your mom took your collars off like she's not supposed to.
Who, Misty? Because I cut her hair, hon.
Okay.
Because Roxy is wet. I will shower them.
Go back.
I will. Wow, I miss this spaghetti, guys.
Can't be that hard to make, guys.
I miss this spaghetti, guys.
Some ketchup, a little sugar,
Ano ka
fry up
nga?
a hot dog, you're good to go. Why is this door open? I don't have no channels in there.
Oh my God. Tommy always make fun of Filipino.
Why is there always white powder in his ashtray? Are you using this to do cocaine? What the hell? Every time I come here, there's white powder in my ashtray.
Flour.
In the ashtray?
Because I need a flour for my hand to play to make my hand to slide in the screen. So good.
Oh, right. We've already known.
It is like my mom's spaghetti. My mother. Because it's just a lot of people make this. Filipino. I want another chicken hand.
You got 2 buckets.
I'm gonna have leg. Look, guys, oh. Sarap.
What monkey girl?
Sarap.
Wombat.
Misty have to eat her dinner.
You hear that?
I know why. I know why the Jollibee is full. It's Sunday. Filipino. No. After church.
Church at 5 o'clock at night?
It's a family bonding. So good, guys. It's good. I'm done. Thank you, baby boy. I love it. I love it. Jollibee.
As investigators continue to dig deeper, Courtney's family appeals to the community. Her kids made an unseen posters. All the kids came, and I just went around town hanging out posters.
Is there any wings here?
Courtney's dad, Scott,
They don't add wings, eh?
more for information on youth and her mysterious disappearance.
No wings.
National headlines.
Anyway guys, i-into na to guys. At kasi nandun na yung asawa ko, nakahiga na. So thank you guys so much for watching. Maikling mukbang na ito guys. I'm so excited guys kasi excited kasi ako. ano, ako lang man ang kakain nito. So, okay lang ibalik ko itong fork. Kasi ako lang man kumakain nito. Hindi yan kakain nito guys. Yung asawa ko after sa spaghetti, ayaw niya.
The massive turnout is a testament to the closeness of the small Pennsylvania community and the power of Courtney's story.
So, ako lang yung kakain. So, okay lang yun na binalik ko yung tinidor.
A lot of friends and family, and even a lot of people that have never met her showed up to show support for her and for the family.
Obviously,
Sarap.
we touched a lot of people.
As in. Thank you guys. Dito na lang tayo guys. And i-end ko na tong vlog. I-end ko na tong mukbang. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next mukbang or vlog. Bye-bye. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.